Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to place for honest and in-depth reviews. In today's episode, we bring you the best first aid box empty on the market, the Foly 15 quarts clear medicine organizer storage box with tray. Let's dive into what makes this product an absolute must-have in any home, office, or even your travel kit. The first thing you notice is the build quality. This isn't your average flimsy plastic case. Foly uses thickened plastic for durability, giving the box a solid, dependable feel. It's clear, literally and figuratively. The transparent body makes it super easy to view what's inside without having to open the lid each time, saving you time especially during emergencies. It comes with a sturdy, ergonomic handle that makes it effortlessly portable. Whether you're moving it from your cabinet to the living room, taking it to the car, or handing it off in a moment of need, the handle makes all the difference. It doesn't just function as a medicine box, it also serves well as a general-purpose storage solution. Think art supplies, craft tools, sewing accessories, even snacks. Yes, it's that versatile. Now let's talk about organization. Inside, you'll find a smartly designed multi-functional divider tray. This tray helps you segregate small essentials like pill bottles, ointments, cotton swabs, or thermometers. No more fishing around through a pile of loose items. It keeps everything neat, separated, and accessible. The bottom layer is surprisingly spacious. It can hold bottles or containers up to 5.7 inches in height. That gives you room for larger items like cold syrups, antiseptic bottles, inhalers, or even a compact blood pressure monitor. It's roomy enough to serve many different purposes beyond first aid. Foly includes self-adhesive medical labels so you can identify contents at a glance. Labeling isn't just about aesthetics, it enhances hygiene and safety. Knowing exactly where each item is can make a huge difference in a stressful or urgent situation. The lid shuts tight with a secure lock mechanism that prevents accidental spills. Whether it's kept in a car trunk, on a high shelf, or inside your luggage, it stays firmly shut. Plus, the overall rectangular design means it stacks neatly if you have more than one. Stylistically, it fits right into any modern home. The clear and minimal design doesn't scream medical box. It looks sleek and tidy. Whether you're storing it visibly or in a drawer, it blends in with contemporary storage aesthetics. So if you're looking for a durable, portable, hygienic, and multi-purpose storage solution, the Foly 15 quarts clear medicine organizer ticks all the boxes, pun intended. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart product insights. See you in the next one.